Add bold flavors to a classic Italian comfort food with my Cajun Risotto recipe. Start off by preparing all your vegetables by chopping them all up. Once ready, we'll start cooking the dish. In a large skillet or frying pan, drizzle olive oil and cook your onion, bell peppers, and okra. Cook for a few minutes and then add your garlic. Once the vegetables are nice and roasted, remove them from the pan and into a clean bowl they go. Next up, cook the sausage and then once roasted, add the shrimp. Once the shrimps are fully cooked, you can deglaze your pan with a little bit of broth, scrape up all that delicious flavor, and then remove the meat from the pan. Melt some butter in that same pan, and then start roasting your rice. Cook for a few minutes, and then deglaze the pan with some white wine. Once almost all absorbed, add in your tomato paste. Stir it in to combine well, and then start adding your chicken broth 3/4 cups at a time. Stir, and once it's all absorbed, add in another 3/4 cups. Stir frequently, and when adding the last of your chicken broth, add in your Cajun seasoning. Keep stirring, and at this point, your risotto should be nicely cooked. Remove from the heat, and add in your freshly grated Parmesan. Stir it in, and then add in your cooked vegetables and meat. Stir to combine, and you're ready to serve with some extra Parmesan cheese and parsley. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.